run out without facing a ball. Disappointing for him. Anyway, should be a good challenge for the Super Kings. Never easy from your first day in VCN cricket to compete with teams that are more experienced. Just waiting for the clock to tick over. 5:15 local time. So they kept the top man the same as in Ansari. Thought maybe might have a slight change, but anyway. He's ready to go. Shake, rattle, and let's roll. Match 5 live from Bucharest. It starts with a wide down leg side. Wrapping up. Didn't quite get complete his over in that previous game. Because the Gladiators reached the target. Okay, the other end. We got bowled. So be careful. Keep this one out. I suppose whenever you go from 5 teams to 11 teams in the series, you're going to find teams that are, I suppose, quite a bit harder to catch up to the level. Been a bit of a rough draw, to be honest. The Super Kings, when you consider that draw today. AUFs are ready to fly, won't they? And then, of course, Gladiators and ACCB, both previous ECS winners. ACCB winning the title back in our first ever European Cricket Series. European Cricket Series here in 2020. And the Gladiators winning last year, 2022. Sorry, looks good enough to keep him out, I suppose. You want to be a bit brave. If he knew these balls are a missing leg stump, which they are, he could get across a bit more and rather than play straight back, just try and clip them. That ball's not hitting. It's missing by a stump or two. Doesn't do exactly that to a ball that was on the stumps. So it's going to run away for 4. So Ansari, 4th time lucky for him. He gets off the mark. It's a braver shot. It's a shot he probably should have played to the last couple of balls before that, but still. So maybe if the West Super Kings could sneak up to, let's say, 100 plus, get some of the key wickets. Getting some good movement. Now, Eastfield almost causes a run out. And they turn it down. Ridoy doesn't want to join the duck makers today, does he? So Super Kings open up with some different combinations so far, just trying to find some runs. It's well bowled though. This one, instead of coming back, goes straight across. It's a very good over from Amanullah. Super Kings get one boundary, but